Advent Day 5. Hydrothermal vents. Okay, I'm gonna look at this. Look at this real quick. This was Atomic Shoelaces solution on day 4. Yep. I like having test data. That's actually a good idea to put the example data straight in line. Yeah, I guess they could be sets. That would be much simpler. Day 5. Hydrothermal vents tend to form lines. Each line is a line segment. The arrow makes me think it's like directed. Okay, and it's covering lattice points, I guess. Need to determine the number of points where at least 2 lines overlap. That seems simple enough. PY? Really? Okay, and then it's just like that. Put a space there. And then we have stuff. Looks like kind of a 1,000 by 1,000 thing. We can't do much better than to have like a multi-set, which will probably just go ahead and implement as a hash or a dict. But those can be tuples that go in there because tuples are immutable. So these might be designed to go only in the cardinal directions. I don't really care, I'm just treating them as lines, and I care about the lattice points that they pass over. I could make this a default dict. Yeah. Either way. And I think the syntax for that is to give this the constructor, and you pass it a function to give the default value, because sometimes you want the default value to be a list. You don't want to use the same list. That's all the loading. Maybe. Oh, it's at how many points? I'm like, where's the most, yeah. So that's going to be... C is greater than 1, the number of points. I was going for the most intersected point, which doesn't really mean anything. That's a lot of points, but not really that many in a 1,000 by 1,000 grid. Dum-da-dum. 10 to form lines. That's very reassuring. I included the points at the ends, I'm pretty sure. I was careful to do a special case on the last one because it breaks the loop, but I still want to put it in there. Oh. Okay. You need to also consider diagonal lines. Okay, let me not consider them then. Oops. It's not what I meant to up arrow there. Now, for posterity, I have to fix this again.